All right, here we go again. I'm going to do 3 examples this time for you. We're still looking at comparative shopping, comparison shopping. I keep saying comparative, comparison shopping. Okay, so I just made it simple. If we're looking at a 10-ounce box of cereal that costs $2.79 and a 13-ounce box of cereal costs $3.99, which one is the one that I should purchase? Okay, some of you would just look and say, hey, well, this is $2.79, so that's the cheapest one, but not necessarily. Okay, let's see how we gotta calculate. Gotta look at that unit rate again. Okay, so if I have, or I'm paying $2.79 for 10 ounces. How much? There's that variable again. You can use what you want. Use a lowercase c, okay? $, heart shape, square, whatever you want. How much for 1 ounce? Okay? Something that I did not note in the last video, your numerators, the units must be the same as your denominator units, okay? So you have to have, if you have money up here, you have to have money here. Okay? If you have ounces here, you have to have ounces here. We could not have put the 1 here, because if we put the 1 here, that means we have money and then ounces, and it can't be different. Okay? So your units have to be the same for your numerators and for the denominators. So you can do it which way you want to. If you wanted to solve this problem and say, okay, well, I'm gonna put 10 ounces up here and I'm gonna put $2.79. Then you have to make sure that you put your unit rate, your 1 ounce, and then your variable for what you don't know. Okay? So we're going to solve this the same way. We're going to cross multiply. Okay? You end up with 10x equals 279. Isolate the variable and divide both sides by 10. And you end up with approximately 28 cents. Okay? Okay, for that one. All right, that's for the 10-ounce box of cereal. Now let's look at the 13-ounce box of cereal. We're going to do the same thing, kind of running out of room, so I'm going to kind of shorten it a little bit. Let me show you. Let me separate it. Okay, so I'm just going to write it a little smaller. So I'm going to do it the same way, though, okay? Put my money in my ounces, then my ounces. So $3.99 to 13 ounces. And how much money for 1 ounce? Okay, 13x equals $3.99. Divide both sides by 13. And you end up with approximately, your x is approximately 31 cents. Okay, I used a calculator for these, so I already solved them. So don't think that I just knew what that was. Okay, so when you look at that, we got 13-ounce box of cereal is 31 cents for 1 ounce. And your 10-ounce box of cereal is 28 cents for 1 ounce. So which one should you buy? Okay, you should buy the one that's $2.79. Because in this case, that one is the better deal. Okay. Something else important to note, when you go in many of your grocery stores, even Walmart, Kroger, Publix, wherever you go, they usually have the unit rates on the labels of the cost of the item. So pay attention to that. Now, I wouldn't just take their word for it. That's why you need to know how to do this. Okay. All right. But next time you go in the store, pay attention to that. The label is right there. Wherever they have, that it costs, $2.99, they have the unit right there, and it says per unit. So just pay attention to that. Next example here. We're trying to buy some soda for the party. I got a 12-pack of soda. It's $3.99. And I got a 20-pack for $5.48. Which one's the better deal? You're going to calculate it the same. Okay? You're going to say, well, I'm going to say $3.99. okay, for 12 packs. And again, if you want to put 12 for $3.99, you can. You just got to make sure that everything lines up here. So if I'm spending $3.99 for 12, how much am I going to spend for one? Right? Same thing. Cross multiply. 12x equals $3.99. Okay, because I did this. Divide both sides by 12. My x is approximately 33 cents for one can. Okay, one can. Let's do the next one because you got to figure this out. All right, I got $5.48 for 20. How much for one? Same thing. Cross multiply. 20x equals 5.48. Sorry about that, y'all. Divide both sides by 20. And your x here is approximately, I have equals there. Approximately 27 cents. Which one should we purchase? Looks like we're gonna go ahead and spend that $5.48 for the 20 pack. Okay? Because that one's the better deal. Okay? Last one. Batteries. Everybody playing the new PlayStations, your new Nintendos. I know, it's what's it called, y'all? The Switch. They need batteries. Okay? So, I got a 20 pack of AA batteries for $12.49. I got a 12 pack of AA batteries for $7.20. Okay? Again, in the short run, hey, if I only got $10 on me, I'm going to get this one. However, if I got 20 on me, I need to take the time to figure out which one of these is the better deal. Okay? I know right here, when you're looking at 27 cents versus 33 cents, that's not that much. However, it's still pennies that you're saving. Okay? So let's figure this one out. $12.49. I'm gonna go over here so I can have room for y'all. I spent $12.49 for 20. How much is one battery? Okay. Cross multiply. This equals 20x equals $12.49. Divide both parts by 20. Bam, bam. X is approximately, I keep doing that. Approximately 62 cents for one battery. All right? Let's look at the other one. $7.20 for a 12 pack. How much for one? Let's multiply. 12x equals $7.20. Divide both sides by 12. X is approximately 60 cents. Okay? Better deal, y'all. Which one is it? Bam. Let's go and spend that $7.20. Okay? Go ahead and get this one. I don't have to pay $12.49 today. I can pay $7.20 because it's a better deal. Saving 2 cents per unit. Okay? Doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. Trust me. All right? You're not always going to have these little squeaky clean numbers. Just want to let you know. But, All right. So, this one is the better deal. Now, here's the question. Ooh, what is that? I want 60 AA batteries. I need 60. And I figured out what's the better deal. The better deal is get this 12 pack here for $7.20. So if I need 60, how many packs do I need? Go to those old division facts again. 60 divided by 12 is 5. Okay? So I'm going to need 5 packs of these AA batteries. Okay? That cost $7.20. And in that, Okay. How much we say they are? $720. So how much am I going to end up spending? 720 times 5. Use your calculators. You don't have to on this. I'm just saying. I did already, but you want to do your mathematics. It's going to be 720 times 5. $36. Uh-oh. I'm in the way. $36. Okay? So, bam. There you go. You have 3 examples there. And I'm going to sign off on this one.